Sunday morning unveils a familiar tableau. Sonu, absorbed in study, versus Monu, restless with youthful energy. Papa, I have a English test tomorrow and an English project due, Sonu declares, his voice laced with academic urgency. Monu, a whirlwind of anticipation, prepares for outdoor adventures, every movement brimming with playful intent. Moit observes his sons, a gentle smile gracing his lips as he acknowledges their contrasting spirits. The home vibrates with the quiet intensity of study and the boisterous call of play, a symphony of familial contrast. A father's reflective smile captures the essence of his son's distinct paths, each resonating with unique promise. In the quiet of a Sunday afternoon, Sonu is lost in his studies, books scattered around him. Meanwhile, Monu sprawls lazily on the couch, his eyes fixated on the television screen. The sounds of laughter and playful shouts herald the arrival of Manu's friends at the door. Monu declares, "I'll study in the evening," Sima retorts. "Don't put it off, Monu. You always say that, and then you run out of time." The playground bursts with life as Monu's laughter echoes, chasing his friends around the vibrant jungle gym. Bathed in the sun's radiant glow, the scene radiates carefree joy and youthful exuberance. Textbooks lie abandoned, symbols of Manu's wandering focus left behind in the whirlwind of play. Manu's unrestrained laughter and the playful shouts of his friends fill the air, creating a vibrant symphony of childhood. Manu bursts into the room, a whirlwind of careless energy. His face betrays a complete absence of academic concern. Manu continues to wave the bat around carelessly. Moit's voice cuts through the air with disappointment. Moit says sternly, "I am very disappointed." Monu pauses, bat still in hand, as Moit's words hang heavy in the air. In the classroom, sunlight streams through the windows as Sonu approaches Mr. Sharma with hope. Manu shuffles forward, his gaze lowered, dreading the outcome. Mr. Sharma hands back the test papers. Sonu's face radiates joy at his grade. Mr. Sharma's words cut deep as he expresses his disappointment to Manu. "Manu, I'm disappointed. This is not the standard I expect. You need to put in more effort." Manu's shoulders slump as he quietly acknowledges his failure, uttering, "Yes, sir." Moy stands silently. The weight of the test results heavy in his hand, casting a shadow of disappointment across his face. His gaze softens as he looks at Manu, a father's love shining through the initial disappointment. Moy speaks with gentle firmness. "Son, the person who doesn't make proper use of time can never progress." Manu listens intently, his expression shifting with newfound resolve as he replies, "From today onwards, I will follow the time so that you can be proud of me like Sonu." A silent promise hangs in the air as Monu vows to change, seeking to earn his father's pride, just like Sonu.